If you're looking for the easiest affiliate system to finally start making the commission you deserve, you're in the right place. I'm going to share with you the brand new affiliate system called the Boss Suite. First, I want to show you some testimonials of folks who are having success with the Boss Suite inside our community. All right, guys, this is Tony again. I am in the back office of the Boss Suite. Now, I'm in the back office, y'all, because what I want to do is I want to show you some other folks inside our community that are getting results. And it's not just me. So it's very important that when you decide, or if you decide that you want to partner with me in the Boss Suite, you want to be able to see that there are tons of other folks inside the community that are also getting results. So watch this, y'all. Now, here at the back office here, we got a lot of different tabs: classroom, calendar, so on and so forth. But right now I want to concentrate on the community. All right. Now there's a section in our community that's called testimonials. We're going to click on this particular tab because this is going to tell us folks who are actually getting some type of results in the Boss Suite, y'all. And again, if you want to make money online, all you have to do is follow the money trail. You find other people who are making money and you simply duplicate what they're doing. All right. So let's start out with here. Progress update. This is somebody already right here. Brandy, the first person that we popped onto is saying that, hey, she's getting some results already. All right, let's take a look at this here. And see, inside the Boss Suite, y'all, we're going to teach you how to get leads. We're going to teach you how to make money. We're going to teach you a whole lot of things. 15 other income streams outside of being able just to resell the course. So you have 15 other things that you can do to make money. So if you're like, hey, I don't want to show my face, no problem. We got you covered inside the Boss Suite. All right. Look at here, y'all. Ellie, I quit my job thanks to the Boss Suite. Now, y'all, I could just stop right there because that statement by itself is powerful, because you know as well as I know, you're not going to quit your job unless you're getting enough results to at least make what you're making on your job. And this lady has already quit her job thanks to the Boss Suite. That's powerful. And over here's, and look, there's me right here. Tony Hobbs. My video went viral. Hey, y'all, my video went viral and I'm up to 51,000 views. Whoops. Check this out. Here's an update. And this was a few days later because the video was still exploding. Now over 87,000. Y'all, let me tell y'all something. Before I joined the Boss Suite, I had no idea how to do this kind of stuff. And now you see I got a video that has had over 87,000 views. All right, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and stop right there. So again, you can see other folks inside our community that's getting results. And if you want to make money online, you just follow the trail of people who are already making money and simply duplicate what they're doing. All right, guys. I'll see you on the next video. All right. Hey, guys, this is Tony and I'm back. So what I'm going to be doing with you right now, guys, is I'm going to be showing you guys one of the strategies that I use and that we're going to teach you inside the Boss Suite, how to get endless amount of leads for free. And here's one of the things that we use, guys. We're going to teach you how to use TikTok. Now, you might be like thinking, well, I've never done TikTok before. I don't know how that works. Guess what, y'all? 18 months ago, I didn't even have a TikTok account. But when I joined communities like this, they taught me how to build out a TikTok account and how to get endless amount of traffic. So what I'm doing right now, guys, is I'm just taking you to the back office of one of my accounts that I have created. And I just want you to see some of my results, y'all. Now check this out, y'all. Of course, this is me right here. You've seen me on many different pictures. But watch this, man. I want you to think about it like this. When you're starting an online business, one of the most important things is, how do I get customers? Once you got that licked, the money will flow. All right. So check this out, y'all. Watch this video. This is some of my videos. Look at this one right here, y'all. 4,400 views on this particular video right here. Look at this one right next to it. 4,259 views. Look at this one, y'all. This baby here went viral and it has over 29,000 views. Y'all, I'm going to teach you the exact same strategy that I use to blow out your TikTok account, and you'll get endless amount of free leads and you will make a ton of sales. So this video is going to be short. I just want to show you guys how are you going to get leads for the Boss Suite. So what you want to do now is, if you have not already, go back to the previous video, go back and sign up for the Boss Suite so we can start making you money immediately. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later. All right, y'all, this is Tony again. I am in the back office of the Boss Suite. What I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be walking you through step by step what you'll need to do to get enrolled in the Boss Suite. Now, here's the cool thing, y'all. You can actually get enrolled today with no money down. Yes, no money down. And we can set you up on a payment plan, guys. And your first payment will not be due for 30 days. Now, the payment range is somewhere in the neighborhood of $33 to $53 a month, somewhere in that neighborhood. See what I'm saying? Now, here's typically what happened, y'all. Typically, once you started, what we're seeing is most people will have actually made a sale by the time their payment is due. So you just take a portion of your sale and make your payment. See how nice that is? Now, let's do this, y'all. All right. So when you get to, so what the first thing I want you to do is go into the link, click the link in my bio. All right, when you click the link in my bio, it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. All right, so when you get to this page, you are going to see, you're going to see an opt-in page. Y'all guys all know what that is. So you just simply put in your name and email, and that's going to take you to this sales page, okay? Now, you can go through all of this information later. It's going to have a bunch of testimonials and just everything about the Boss Suite. Again, you can just kind of take your time and go through that. But right now, I just want to show you how to go ahead and get enrolled. So let's say you land on this sales page. You kind of want to go down the page, y'all. Go down the page. And right here where it says get instant access, click that button right here, y'all. Okay. Now, when you click this button, it's going to take you to, let me exit out of this, y'all. Bear with me. All right, I'm going to go back up to the top. Let's go back here. Apologize. I am live, so you know how it is when you are live. Seeing like all of the screens come up that you're not expecting. So let's see here. Okay, here we go. Here we go. All right. Now, it's going to take you to this screen right here, y'all. You'll see where it says Boss Suite Sneak Peek. Okay, we don't want that right there. I want you guys to go right here, the Boss Suite. And I want you to click the Buy Now button. Now, keep in mind, y'all, you are not spending $5.97 today. But we have to disclose that, okay? You're not spending. We're going to put you on a no payment, no money down plan and set you up on a payment plan. Okay, so all you need to do is click that Buy Now button. Click right there. All right. It's going to load up. It's going to load up this page right here. You see it's already been discounted by 40%. All right. So what you want to do now, guys, is go all the way down this page. I'm just going to go pretty fast. All the way down to the bottom of the page. Keep going. You're going to see, let me move myself out. Let me move myself over here. You're going to need to put in your name, your email address. Let's move this over here. Right there. Put in your name, your email address, read this here, put in yes. It's already coded, so you don't need to put a discount code in there, y'all. All right, now, here's where your payment plan comes in. You got basically 3 different options. Now, right here where it says pay in full, leave that right there, even though you are not paying in full. Leave it right there. Don't move that, okay? All right, now, okay. Now, guys, you have basically 3 different payment plans that you can select. You can do PayPal. Oh, goodness gracious. What is going on? I'm sorry about this, guys, but sometime when you're live, all kind of pop-ups happen. All right, let's go back down here. We were back at the pay plan. All right, so anyway, you can do PayPal, y'all. You can use your credit card if you want to. You might have a better interest rate on your credit card. You can do Google Pay. You can do Klarna or Afterpay. Most people use one or the other. Now, if you're familiar with one of these pay plan options, then go ahead and use it. So, like, for example, Some of you guys may already have Afterpay. Use that. But if you don't, if you're not too familiar with the plan, click on Klarna. Start with that one. Payment on this one is just a couple of dollars cheaper than Afterpay. But they're both are very equal. So let's say you click on Klarna. All right, when you click on that, it's going to take you down to the bottom of the page. At the bottom of the page, you're going to see in dark, bold letters, it's going to say something like, set up a pay plan. All right, click on that down at the bottom. Set up a pay plan. Now, when you click that, y'all, it's going to, it might ask you for your name and email again, but just kind of follow the instructions. It's pretty simple. But you want to, it's going to ask you for a 6-digit code. Put in that code. And it may ask you a couple other questions. They're super simple. Just follow the flow. Then it's going to give you like typically 3 to 4 payment options. All right. You just pick the payment plan that is best for you. All right. So just some people like to pay it off earlier, but whatever best for you, pick that plan. And then after you pick that plan, y'all, it's going to start to populate a little bit. Just wait for, 10 or 15 seconds. It's going to populate. And then boom, it's going to say, congratulations, you are approved. And when you become approved, y'all, you're going to start getting all kind of emails from the boss suite. All right. Now, what I want you to do is as soon as you get approved, because I'm going to be your coach and your mentor, which means that one of the bonus that you're going to get is you are going to get my direct phone number. So as soon as you get approved, y'all, I need you to send me a message, right? And then I'm going to send you my phone number. And then, guys, we're going to get the ball rolling so you can start making these $423 instant pay and $100 residual pay. So, guys, with that said, thank you so much for signing up for the Boss Suite. I am personally looking forward to working with you, and I'll be in touch. Take care.